Hello class, my name is Ali Haider. Today's date is July 6th, 2022. Well, my name is Ali, like I said before. I'm actually from Kenosha, Wisconsin, so I'm from Wisconsin. Go go Midwesterns. Um, some of my favorite hobbies to do is I love to watch anime. I love to play soccer. I'm always just love to be outside, running, jogging, stuff like that. Um, I'm in a family of four. I have an older brother, just me and my brother, and my mom and dad. As for occupations, I'm currently, working towards a dental assistant position at Aspen Dental. I haven't started working yet, but kind of in the process of it. And I actually graduated from the University of Wisconsin Parkside on May 14th, 2022, which was, like just a little less than 2 months ago. So I'm technically graduated from undergrad, and I'm trying to apply for dental school, in which one of the prerequisites for dental school is to take a biochemistry course, preferably medical biochemistry. And that is actually the reason why I'm actually taking this online course, is to fulfill that prerequisite and to learn more about just the human body and all the biochemical aspects of it. I'm planning to apply for dental school in Marquette University, I think. Is my number one pick. Another one is like Illinois, maybe somewhere close home if possible, but anywhere that might be accepting is great. So that might happen sometime next year. I'll be taking my DAT, which stands for the Dental Admissions Test. It's kind of like the MCAT, stuff like that. And from there, I'll attend 4 years of dental school and work towards being a dentist. And I'm really glad to be here and get to know some of you or all of you, an instructor as well. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day and an amazing start to this great course. Thank you.